Hello everyone, my name is Mahim Jain. This is a DIY project based on assembling a home appliances. This is a chargeable hair trimmer which takes 220 volt AC current as input. Today we are going to deassemble it and see how it works. As we can see, it is in working condition. Now let's deassemble it. This is a blade. When we start the trimmer, it vibrates. This is a chargeable battery. We have opened it completely. Now let's see it's working. This is a plate where various components like resistance, capacitors are added. When we open the switch, a DC motor rotates, which in turn led to the vibration of that blade. When we charge the trimmer, the LED bulb will glow. This is how a trimmer works. Now let's reassemble it. Now, after reassembling it, let us see it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Thank you.